Alright, so here we are on Friday, July 24th. So I haven't taken very many trades in my other account. My small account that I've been trading with the CME group this week, I've just not been really available during the trading hours, and when I am available, there hasn't been any trades that's set up, so it's just been one of those weeks. But my futures account, I've been able to take quite a few trades this week, which is nice. So we got another one setting up right here for the simple switch sniper strategy. We got about 30 seconds left. The crosshairs have lined up and the wind is in our direction. So provided that it stays that way, we're going to short this this right here, the MES. So we got about 30 seconds. We'll be back and we'll take our short. Okay, got 5 seconds left. So far so good, and we're short, I think. All right, cool. All right, so we're in. So yeah, we'll mark it up and see how it goes. All right, so once this gets through this level, I'm going to go ahead and move my stop down to it. So if it backs up, we'll get out. Get a little bit more room on the downside here. Just left click and drag on here is what I'm doing. Okay, and then I'll come over to the chart and I'll left click and drag once this gets through here. Alright, we made it most of the way. We clearly went through the zone, barely touched there, so I'm going to move my stop down to break even. I'll move it into right here to pay for commissions. $1 basically pays for commissions. Alright, cool. So if it backs up and we get out, then we'll just miss out on that move. That would have been awesome, which is very possible looking at this level here. I almost should just take this trade off the table here, but we'll wait. Hopefully it doesn't have a big retracement and it just pretty much goes down. But you can see it likes to retrace a lot. You know, this one's not really, just went down, which would be nice for a little retracement. Big retracement, you know, before it started to settle. So hopefully we don't get any of that. And we just go down here and get the target. Alright, so we're getting some of that retracement now. See how much it gives. Okay, so we get through here to 31.98. We'll move this stop down there as soon as it gets through. Let's see it. 99. $98 or 99. Okay, cool. So if we get out, we get out. But try to get my stops in right away because sometimes it likes to bounce pretty hard off these levels. And sometimes it smashes right through. So I wanted to try to be able to allow it to trail. And there we go. So here we are. So we're trailing it. Let's see if we get our next level. Be pretty awesome. So 98.73, so I can move it to 98.75, and that's my solid target right there. And then if we get this next target, we'll trail it again. But I leave it here just in case we get a quick spike. Sometimes it'll just smash down real fast and then pull back. So I leave that there, so if it smashes down really fast, then I'll get it, and then it'll pull back fast. And I won't be able to do it quick enough, so I just leave that there. I'd rather get out with the profit than to miss it. So that's why that's there. That's one reason why it's there. The other reason why is if I lose my internet connection or something weird happens, then at least I got my a target and a stop in. So this simple switch sniper strategy I use for the futures market has been absolutely epic. So easy 92% win rate, although that may be going up. Right now I'm on trade number 10. This is our 10th trade with no losers. So if this keeps on rolling, another 10 trades or so, we'll be able to increase our average because there's been so many trades. So you have to have a lot more trades now to affect the average. But we'll be able to move this up maybe to 93 or 94%. It's been so awesome. In the futures market, if you don't know, there's no PDT rule, so you can trade as much as you want, as long as you meet the account minimums for the instruments that you're trading. So this particular instrument, you have to have at least, I think it's 1,300 in your account to be able to trade one position. So yeah, so that's one good thing about the futures, no PDT rule, and it trades, you know, almost around the clock, so it's pretty sweet. Like if you have a 9-to-5 job and you want to get into trading, you're like, oh, I can't get into trading because I have to work 9 to 5. That's the market hours. If you get into futures, then you just trade in the evening when you get home. You know, you spend a couple hours at night when you're home, put the computer on, look over, see if anything sets up, take your trade. You know, while you're watching a movie or doing whatever you're doing, having dinner. It doesn't require a lot of time. I don't have to sit here. The only reason why I'm here now is because of YouTube and making these videos, and also for my student videos. If not, I would just put my thing in, check on it every now and then, and good to go. Okay, there we go. So we backed up, we got out, got our target, which is awesome. Kind of wish I would have took a little bonus money down here, but is what it is. So that's how it always is, right? 2020. If I would have kept on running, I would have been like, no, I did the right thing. But backed up. So now I wish I would have took my money out. But anyway, either way, winning trade again. So hopefully we can keep that rolling. We'll bring you in the next one. Okay, so that's going to do it for me today. Unfortunately, I don't have any day trades that look like they're going to set up before the end of day, so I'm going to shut it down, head out, get some other stuff done. And this week was just you know, one of those weeks where I was just really busy, and I didn't have the time to hit my day trading in my day trading account with CME. And when I was available, just didn't have the setup. So that one day we had that one trade this week. So in the day trading account, we made 4 cents per share this week. So green week. Only one day trading, and it was green, small green, but it's still green. And in the futures account, like I said last week, I was going to try to start bringing more of these to you, but we're about $31 per contract, so that's a really awesome week. That came out to about 7% profits based on the money it cost me to trade. So not a lot of trades, but enough. So hope everybody has an awesome weekend, and then yeah, we'll see you next week, and hopefully we can get some day trades going next week. I'll have some more time next week to do that. And then I'll try to bring some more futures market to you as well. So have an awesome week, everybody. We'll see our weekend, and we'll see you next week.